Good morning, students. Welcome back to your English language class. Today, we are going to start our new chapter, Join Letters. So, first, all of you take out your English language book, page number 14. Now, all of you put classwork and today's date here. Now, listen carefully what I am telling you. Some letters, when joined with other letters, produce a new sound. For example, C joined with L produces a CL sound, as in clock. That means when we add more than one letters, the letters are called joined letters. Like C. C is a letter. When C joined with L, that means it will pronounce CL sound. And with the CL sound, we can write CLOCK, clock. Means we use this CL sound to make this word clock. See, CLOCK, clock. In this word, first joined letters are CL, clock. CLOCK, clock. Like this, you can see in your book some joined letters. S is a letter, P is a letter. When we join these two letters or we write two letters together, it's called joined letters. And with the joined letters, we can write a word. SP, we can write SPON, spoon. SPOON, spoon. SH, joined letters. With the help of SH joined sound, we can write shoes. SHOES, shoes. Like GR, we can write green. FL, we can write flag. GL, we can write glue. CH, with the help of CH, this joint sound, we can write chair. PL, with the help of this sound, we can write play. Like this, these all are joined letters. Now, today what will we do? Repeat after me. Look at the pictures and read the words. Letters printed in red have joint sound. Pick a new word with the same joint sound from the help box. Write in the space provided. See, in your book, it has given all the joint sound. BR. We can write with the sound of BR, broom. Now you have to write one more word with the help of BR sound. You can take help from this box. See children, in the help box the words are CHAIR, chair, SPOT, spot, GREEN, green, FLAG, flag, SHOP, shop, PLAY, play, GLUE, glue, TRUCK, truck, BRUSH, brush, THICK, thick, CROWN, crown, FROCK, frock, SWING, swing, STMP, stamp. Now, can you see the red ink? These red portions are joint sound. Now you have to choose with the same sound from this box and you have to write the another word in this blank. So, the joint sound is BR. With BR we can write broom as well as brush. You can take help from your book, brush. So this one is brush. Now next one is child. Joint sound is CH. With the help of this joint sound CH, we can write child as well as chair. Now glass, glue, spoon, spot, plate, PL. Here joint sound is PL. Now you can write play. Next one, shoes. You can write shop. Next, stick. You can write stamp. Now crow. Here CR is a joint sound. With the help of CR sound, you can write crow as well as crown. See, here CR is a joint sound. Now thin, thick, grass, green, frog, frock, fly, flag, tray, truck, swan, swing. So, in this way you have to complete this in your book. Now, turn the page. The next one is some letters are used 2 times in same word. Means in one word you will get the same letters 2 times. Such pairs of letters are called double letters. When you will get the same letter in one word, the same letters will be called double letters. See what is the picture of this? Moon. What is the spelling of moon? M-O-O-N, moon. So moon is a word. And you can see here O is a letter, but this O is used in 2 times. That means this O is double letters. These O are called double letters. Same way, ball. The spelling of ball is B-A-L-L, ball. Here, L is repeated. That's why this double L is called double letters. Feet. F-E-E-T, feet. In this word, double letters are E, double E. So we will say double E. Now this is glass. G-L-A-S-S, glass. Here double letters are double S. In this way, now you have to write these objects or the picture's name. And when you will write the picture's name, you will get double letters. Let's start our exercise. So, see the help box is given. All the spellings are given. Now we will do our exercise. So, what is the picture of this? Stool. What is the spelling of stool? S-T-O-O-L, stool. In this word, double letters are O. So, double O. This portion is called heel. So, here double letters are E. Now, next is spoon. Here double O means double letters O. Now next is tree. Here double E. So these are called double letters. In the same word or in one word, when you will use same letter in 2 times, it will called double letters. Now this is eggs. These are eggs. So E-double-G-S. So double G. That means here double letters are G. D-O-double-L, doll. Here double L are double letters. B-E-double-L, bell. You can see double L. So these L are double letters. And here B-A-double-L, double O-N-S, balloons. Here double L as well as double O are here. So in this way you have to do this exercise. So today till this much, do it in your book and learn all the spellings. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.